Welcome to PPT 10x. So in today's video, you all are going to learn easy but stunning PowerPoint slide design idea. So here, let's begin. So let's zoom out a little bit. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to insert any image or any video of your choice. Okay, so let's insert the video. So let's go to this device, and here I have this beach video that I have selected from Pixabay. Okay, so I'm going to place it around here. Animations, I'll give it play animation. All right, and in the playback option, let's just select loop until stop. Okay, done. Now in animation, go to animation pane, and here select start with previous. All right, now let's start designing. Okay, so let's insert the shape, that is rectangle. Okay, so here we are going to insert the rectangle shape. It should be a little bit larger than the size of the slide, and let's align it center, align it middle. All right. Okay. Now in the next step, we are going to insert the oval shape. Okay. By pressing the shift key, we are going to insert the oval like this. Okay, let's change the color of this oval. For both the shapes, the shape outline is going to be the no outline. All right. Okay. Now we are going to insert a rectangle, one more rectangle, and here we are going to place it over here. Now, first of all, we are going to select this oval shape. Now by pressing the control key, we are going to select the rectangle like this. And now in the merge shapes option, we'll select subtract. Done. Now in the next step, we are going to select this rectangle first. By pressing the control key, we are going to select this shape. And similarly, we will subtract it like this. Okay. Beautiful. Now in the next step, let's just give it some color. So let's select this rectangle, click right mouse button and go to the format shape option. All right, let's go to the fill option. Let's select the gradient fill. Okay, so here already this gradient fill is selected. Okay, so here you can see this is the black color, then there is a grayish shade, and then dark teal color, and gradually the lighter shades. All right, and if you want, you can just adjust these gradient stops like this. Now in the next step, we'll go to the effect options. In the effect option, we will go to the 3D format, and for the width, we will increase it to the 20 points, and even for the height, we'll increase it to the 20 points. All right, like this. Now in the next step, we are going to insert another rectangle. So let's go to the shapes. Not the rectangle, we are going to select the trapezoid shape. Okay, so here we are going to insert the trapezoid like this. Okay, just note that it should be equal to this portion. Okay, and now we will go to the 3D rotation, and we are just going to rotate it a little bit like this from y-axis. Okay, and let's shift it upwards. Perfect. Let's give it no outline. Shape outline is going to be no outline, and the shape fill will go for picture or texture fill. And let's just select any texture you want. You can go for this or this. Okay, I would prefer this one only. Alright, done. So now here you can just add your text box. So for that, insert text box, write your heading here. Okay, give it some white shade, some font style, and just increase the size like this. And you can just write your text over here, and you can also just paste the image of a chair. All right, now let's have a preview for the same. Beautiful.